Hello! Welcome back to Executive Hausa Tutors channel, your #1 Hausa language channel. Do you know a person character is what people notice the most? Then today, let's learn how to describe a person's character and behavior in Hausa. Now, part 1, positive traits. Mai kirki, kind person. Mai haƙuri, patience person. Mai gaskiya, honest person. Mai tausayi, compassionate person. Mai ladabi, respectful person. Mai taimako, helpful person. Let's make some examples. Shi mutum ne mai kirki. He is a kind person. Ita mace ce mai haƙuri. She is a patient woman. Yaron nan mai ladabi ne. This boy is respectful. We use mai to describe someone who has a certain quality. Now, part 2, negative trait. Mai rowa, stingy person. Mai fushi, angry person. Mai ƙarya, liar. Mai hassada, envy person. Mai kishi, jealous person. Rago, lazy person. Let's make some examples. Bana son mutum mai ƙarya. I don't like a liar. Ya yi fushi sosai. He is very angry. Yana da halin ragwantaka. He is lazy. Now, part 3. How to describe a character in a sentence. You can use shi mutum ne mai, which means he is a person who is. Or you can use ita mace ce mai, which means she is a woman who is. Now, let's make some examples. Shi mutum ne mai gaskiya da haƙuri. He is an honest and patient person. Ita mace ce mai tausayi sosai. She is a very compassionate woman. You can combine 2 or 3 traits in one sentence. Next, part 4, describing your own character. Ni mutum ne mai haƙuri. I am a patient person. Ni ba mai fushi ba ne. I am not an angry person. Ina ƙoƙarin zama mai gaskiya a kowane lokaci. I try to be honest at all times. Ina ƙoƙari means I try to. Now, part 5. Expressing your opinion on someone. A ganina, shi mutum ne mai kirki. In my opinion, he is a kind person. Ina tsammani tana da halin kirki. I think she has a good character. Bana ganin yana da haƙuri. I don't think he is patient. Now, part 6. Forming a descriptive sentence. Shi mutum ne mai kirki, amma wani lokacin yana da saurin fushi. He is a kind person, but sometimes he gets angry quickly. Ita mace ce mai tausayi, saboda tana taimakon mutane koyaushe. She is compassionate because she always helps people. Yaro ne mai ladabi, kuma yana da girmama manya. He is respectful and he honors elders. Did you enjoy the lesson? Today, we have learned how to describe good character and how to describe a bad character. We also learned how to form sentences about personality. And we also learn how to express your opinion about someone. Did you write the positive and negative traits in your book? If yes, then make sure you practice them. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help more learners discover our lesson. If you need any private Hausa lesson or any other Hausa services, please reach out to Executive Hausa Tutors page directly. See you next time. Bye bye. Sai anjima.